So welcome back people to MG Sports TV. Thank you again for joining. Really appreciate it. Thoroughly, I'm going to make my lighting. Thoroughly appreciate it, people. Hopefully guys are doing good and everything is okay. We're going to speak about KAHEIM DIXON. I'm trying to fix the lighter. So we're going to speak about KAHEIM DIXON, people, and international dimension has officially confirmed the transfer of KAHEIM DIXON to Charlton Athletic. They actually reposted on their official IG page the article, the Observer article about the movement from KAHEIM DIXON from Arnett Garden to Charlton Athletic. So basically, we can say that it is happening. We can easily say no that it is happening. But there's other aspects I really want to touch about the move from Arnett Garden to Charlton Athletic. And the big question is, and I've heard a lot of discussions around it, is this a good move? Is it a really good move, or is it an underwhelming move for the youngster? Now, big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. I just want to hit the like button. I want to say thank you guys for the continued support, hitting the like button, sharing the videos. Really appreciate it. Before we get into that, I want to do a small discussion. We are keeping MG Sports and Knockins we're keeping a 1v1 tournament. A 1v1 tournament, never seen before tournament in Jamaica. It's going to be held at the Kick It Turf in Portmore on Port Henderson Road. 1v1 prize, my cash prize, people, $20,000. Also, we have giveaways. We also have signed jerseys courtesy of Maestro Sports. We have we have our pass. We have our pass courtesy of Kick It Sport, Kick It Turf. We also have Timber. We have even a pass to Timber Lounge. You can go and carry the family and go and eat some food. But that is just all if you win, are going to top the final round. The thing is, no founders on a baller. This is now your opportunity to come and showcase your skill set. There will be live coverage, lots of video and lots of photos. Just come there, display. Also, we have a new sponsor on board, Grip Elite Socks. Grip Elite Socks. We wear it over a weekend. Really good socks. We're Sunday morning, play ball night Sunday morning. I tell people, really good socks. So they'll be doing giveaways as well. The top 8 will be getting some socks. So people, there's a lot of things happening regarding that. So make sure someone come. Hit us up on our IG page. We'll send the form for you to fill out, to register, and we'll take it from there. Commission will be kept on August the 10th of August, people. So it's not far away from here. It's within 2 weeks' time. So look out for that, people. All right, let's get back on board. Let's get back on track. KAHEIM DIXON, Charlton Athletic. So a player that I really like, have a lot of respect and ratings for him. I do think that he has the potential, the hunger and the drive to go far. Now, there's a lot of persons saying that based off the connections of the his management, and also the clubs that were looking onto KAHEIM DIXON, a lot of persons are believing that it's not necessarily the most eye-popping move, because it's a third-tier division team. It's a third-tier team in England, in the third division. So that, should I say third-tier team? Yeah, because they're in the third tier. Yeah, they're in the third division of England. So a lot of persons are saying that, boy, they wanted to seem a little bit higher. But I think a lot of persons fail to understand that it's not really easy getting these deals over the line. It's not really easy. Yes, to some it might look underwhelming, and I will definitely discuss that. And to some it might look like it's a big move. Now, for persons who consider it a big move, I'm on that side, that it is a big move. And I just wish him well. And one of the most important thing is, we have youth players making a transition abroad. One of the most important thing is game time. It's very very important to get game time. So that's the reason why I love the fact that it's not a top team where I've got a sink or swim business. No. Let him matriculate. Give him time to develop, time to progress in his craft, time to really harness his craft as well. Develop properly. Fine-tune all the little issues that he has picked up in Jamaica, playing through the Jamaican system. Rid himself of those so that he can play at a higher level. That's the reason why I love this move. Now, the reason why other persons are disappointed and find it underwhelming is because they wanted to see him go into the Belgian League, the Portuguese League, maybe the higher tier of England, maybe Championship or the Premier League clubs. But the problem is, how will that guarantee him game time? Will that guarantee the young man game time? And I already mentioned that game time is so important. It's actually, where youth players is concerned, it's the most important thing. Because you don't want to go into a team where you're considered 6th, 7th option, or going to a team where you're on the bench consistently, or going to a team where you're at any minute you can be loaned out. Because they're going to say, no, you're not good enough. And fun fact, this is harsh to say, but it's a reality. Some of the same persons who want to see him playing at a bigger club, these are the same persons who in turn, when things don't work out because of the harsh conditions, the sink or swim mentality, and things don't work out, the harsh conditions that he might play under, training regime, him alone, he's alone wherever he's staying, homesick, food sick, all these type of things. And when things don't work out well, these are the same persons who are going to say, see there, see me tell you, no? Look there. Another baller that's come back to Jamaica. And that we have seen that time and time again. That's the reason why I implore him, stay grounded, put in the work. So that's why, for me personally, the Charlton Athletic move is one in which I love. I love that move. So even if he should go into the youth team, he will get game time. Not saying that he will go into his first team and get game time guaranteed, but at least he's going to a club where there's less spotlight on him, less media attention on him, so he can take his time and progress through. And that, I believe, is very, very, very important. Development is key at this moment for the youngster. And we can't bypass that stage, all in the name of playing first team football, or all in the name of being catching the limelight, say, yeah man, me I do this and me I do that. No. So for me, it's the ideal, it's the optimal move. Even if he would have gone into league or one of these leagues, I would want him to be on a lower scale, just so that he can progress. Because Jamaican people, as much as they're happy for you, when things turn sour, they're the same one who will jump on your shoulder. That's just the nature of the game. But in fact, it's a brilliant move, wonderful move, and like how them confirming now that it is on the court, because one of the big issues was work permit. I think a lot of persons are discussing work permit, and I do believe that based off the agent and what he has been doing for time now, he must have known that something can work out for this to happen. In that business long enough, years, you have whole heap of players. You have his agency, like the international dimension, have more players in Europe than any other agency associated with Jamaica. So, most definitely, he must know what he's doing. The proof is in the pudding, as they would say. So, I could see how this one materialize. I love what I'm seeing, and let's see how KAHEIM Dixon matriculate into the English third-tier division and how their football sets up. So, smash the like button, people. Big up yourself. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Link in the comment section. You can buy us a coffee if you can. No problem if you can't. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Remember, Knockins and MG Sports. Kick it turf 1v1 tournament, August the 10th. Link us on IG so we can send a link so you can sign up. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless, people. God bless. Boom.